Now we are going to have a look at our core.css file. So open it in your browser. We're going to start with the white character, so definition for all of the tags on the page. Margin 0, padding 0, we have outline none, we have border none, and we will also apply color to all of the elements as FFF. Then we have body, font size 12 pixels, we have line height of 20 pixels, background we're going to use 505 C79, then we're going to have padding of 30 from the top and bottom, 0 on the left and right, text align we want to be the center, and font family, again Arial, Verdania, and sans serif. Obviously you can use a little bit more interesting font than this, but for the purpose of this exercise I'm going to simply use Arial and Verdania. Okay, now let's go a little bit further down. We're going to create definition for wrapper. Our wrapper will have a width of 445 pixels, a margin of 0 and 0 from the top and bottom, and outer from left and right, and text align to the left. Now we have container, and container will have a background FFF, which is white, padding will be 10 pixels, and then we're going to use this rounded borders, so web, kit, border, radius, and we're going to use 7 pixels, same for Mozilla border radius. Radius will be 7 pixels, and then lastly we have CSS3 definition border radius of 7 pixels. Okay, after this we go for our image div, which will simply be width of 425 pixels, which is the width of our image, height is 282 pixels, again width of our image. Then we have position relative, we have margin bottom will be 7 pixels to obviously move the navigation a little bit further down. Now it's time for our navigation, and navigation will have color of 333 and text decoration we don't want any, so none. The navigation, we will have navigation A tag. Oh, sorry, actually, this should go here. And navigation on its own will only have text aligned to the left. Okay, and now we have image, img tag, which will have position absolute, z index, all of them they will have 1, and only image, if I copy this one, with the class active, will have z index set to 3. So that's everything inside of our CSS file. If we save the file, preview our page in the browser, you can see our images are now displaying the way they were in our introduction video, but our navigation doesn't seem to be centered. So if we go back, text align, of course, navigation should have text aligned center rather than left. So if we save this, refresh, we can see now everything is in place. So let's move to the next video and have a look at our core.js file.